Rise, under the divine mandate entrusted to me, Apostle Renato D. Carrillo, together, we embark on a sacred mission. For God said to me, my timetable for the Philippines is from 2025 to 2028. Partner with me in making the Philippines a nation of God. How can you partner with me? Pray and fast without ceasing for our beloved nation. Give consistently, generously, and faithfully to the works of God. Invite precious lives to attend our live services. Share our events far and wide. Attend our glorious services across the nation. When the man of God comes to your town or city, don't miss it. Be part of God's move and experience His power firsthand. Watch our Oras ng Himala programs on TV and cable television. Listen to our Oras ng Himala radio broadcasts. Tune in to our 24-hour Jesus is Our Shield, Oras ng Himala, Living Like Jesus YouTube live streaming, and follow us on all our official social media platforms. Stand with me. Stand for our nation. Say yes to God's call. Become a partner now, and together we will witness the Philippines rise as a nation of God ablaze with His glory.
Blessed day mga kapatid! Ako po si Josephine Bulilan, ang Bank Assurance Sales Manager and Teacher. Si Jesus ang liwanag, gabay at pundasyon ng aking buhay, ng aking pamilya, ng aking trabaho at ng aming negosyo. Hindi naging madali ang lakbayin ko sa buhay. Dumaan din po ako sa mga matitinding pagsubok. Dumating po ako sa punto na pakiramdam ko wala ng pag-asa, na para bang wala ng solusyon sa bawat problema. Ngunit dahil sa pangako ng Jesus sa Hebrews 13:5, kailanman ay hindi kita iiwan at kailanman ay hindi kita pababayaan. Alam niyo po, nagkaroon ako ng lakas at pag-asa na harapin ang bawat pagsubok na kasama siya. Pinahawakan ko rin ang salita ng Jesus sa Proverbs 3:5-6. Kay Yahweh kang magtiwala, buong puso at lubusan, at huwag kang mananangay sa sariling karunungan. Sa lahat ng iyong gawain, siya nga'y alalahanin upang ika'y patnubayan sa inyong tatahakin. Lagi po nating tandaan kay Jesus hindi tayo mabibigo. I encourage you to reconnect with the Lord in your everyday life. Anak po tayo ng Diyos, hindi po siya mag-aatubili na lumapit sa iyo at tulungan ka. Unawain mo na ikaw ay nagkasala at tanggapin si Jesus sa iyong buhay. Follow Jesus, hindi ka maliligaw. I am Josephine Bulilan, daughter of the King. I follow the only one, Jesus.
Follow the only one. Follow Jesus. Brought to you by NX3 Coffee and Tea.
Start strong with internet that's fast, reliable, and easy on the budget with CableLink. Lightning fast internet for streaming, gaming, and work. Perfect for speed seekers.
Nangunguna sa balita, opinyon, musika, impormasyon, komentaryo at serbisyo publiko. Ito ang DCME 1530. Radyo TV.